Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. Yesterday, crude market opened around 4,714. So this is the zone where the market opened yesterday. And what we expected yesterday was that we expected two things to happen. That is, for the sellers, we expected the market to continue selling, having this 4,800 and 4,820 as the major selling zone. So we expected selling to continue till this zone, and also for the buyers, we expected the market to continue its buying till 4,660. So we left to the traders to decide whether you can go for a buying or selling. What we preferably did and expected was that the market can initially, since we are a trend follower, we can initially test this zone completely. Unless until we get a clearance, we expected the market to continue to drop down. So we left the option to the traders and also all the viewers. So two things we expected to happen: to take a resistance till the zone and have a support around till 4,660. So now let us see what happened yesterday. So after the price opening initially, you can see that the market straight away it's bouncing back and it went and tested this 4,760. And one important thing which we want to mention is that we have moved to the next contract. We are not following the previous contract, we have moved to the next contract so that we can continue trading just because on Monday we don't want to break in between on the weekdays. So we have moved to the next contract. So what we can see that is that after the price opening, the market initially went and tested this 4,760. So it is acting as a major resistance for crude market. You can see on the previous day, that is on Friday also, this 4,760 provided a clear resistance for crude market. So after testing this zone, let us see what happened after that, whether the market was sustainable in breaking that. So again, like what happened on Friday, the market provided a resistance around 4,760. You can see that the market found a resistance around 4,760. So the market was consolidating around the support zone of 4,720. You may notice that the market is taking some support around 4,720, and this support was also broken, and the market was really struggling to move higher, and it is a very decent drop in crude market what happened yesterday. So what we on seeing the entire price action, what we can say is that it is just like a photocopy of what happened on Friday. You can notice that the market, after testing this 4,760, it gave a clear drop and broke all the support zone of 4,720. But what is the major thing what happened yesterday is that the market had some good selling potential that pushed the market down even till 4,660. So with the expected profit, the buying zone was also around 4,660. Let us see whether the market showed some buying recovery or not. So after testing 4,660, the market gave a clear recovery. You can notice that the market was giving a clear price recovery, and it was testing 4,700. So let us see whether the market has got the potential to test. So it was a good normal recovery the market has provided. So taking some support around 4,660, the market gave a recovery till 4,720. What we need to do is that whether the market has got the potential to stay above 4,720 to maintain its give some signal for buyers. So let us see what happened after that. But the market was trying to break this 4,760, but at last the market came down and closed around 4,700. So both the things happened. What we expected on Monday, both the things happened. The market went with the trend. That is, it went with the trend and it came down till 4,660. Again, since we expected some buying to happen around 4,660, it gave a clear bounce back, and also it tried to stay above 4,760, and it closed around 4,695. So that is the reason we requested we left all these things for the traders to decide about the trend, because we expected something to happen just because on Monday. But the clear difference what was made on yesterday was that we expected the price to open around 4,000, around more or less near 4,760. So this is the zone where we expected crude to open yesterday. But what happened is that the market opened more or less near the same zone where it closed. That is the only difference that was created on yesterday. So normally we have this risk just because since we are presenting this video well before the currency market and commodity market price opening, so based upon the NYMEX price we are predicting the price opening, but it is also influenced by the rupee value also. Just the rupee opened lower, so the market the crude also opened just a bit lower. But anyhow, the technicals are going to be the same. The supports or resistance, wherever the price may open or close, the supports and resistance are going to be the same. That was proved on yesterday. So you can see the market took the clear resistance around 4,760, and also it has provided some buying opportunity. But today what we can do for today is that we expect the crude to more or less open near 4,690 to 4,680, and today we don't want to take a risk with a 50-50 probability. What we can do is that we expect the crude to continue its downtrend, having just because since it has closed below 4,720. So if there was a price closing above 4,720 or somewhere near 4,740, we can say there was some buying still in the crude market. Just the price has closed below 4,720. That is what we want to see on Monday market. So that is a major reason we gave a 50-50 probability for both the buyers and sellers. So just like that, we want to see what is happening on Monday. So since the price has closed below 4,720, we can notice that it is providing a major resistance in gold market, and this 4,760 is also providing a very wonderful resistance in gold market. So unless until we see any price action or closing above 4,820, we expect gold to continue its downtrend. So that is our strong belief and our expectation, so that this 4,720 760 should provide a strong resistance, and today we expect we expect crude oil to stay down. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session, and the expected resistance zones are 4,720, 4,760, and unless until the market clears this 4,820, we expect crude to continue its downtrend. So unless if the market is closing anywhere above 4,820, then we can say that there is some buying that can push the market higher, and this zone is very crucial. When the price is staying between 4,760 till 4,800, these zones are going to be very crucial, where we expect all the traders to put whatever you have learned in technicals, to use all your skills in this trading session, so that you can be successful in this type of decision zones. So let us see, and the target zones are very much, you may know that initially 4,660, and if the price is going to break it, 4,620 is a possible target in the near term. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session, and thanks a lot for all your support and watching our videos. Take care, happy trading, bye.